The Australian science curriculum states that sustainability provides context for investigation and understanding for students and their outside world, specifically through their chemical, biological, and physical worlds and Earth and space. Students will address these systems and their interconnectedness through Camelot's Castle and the learning area that gives students an appreciation that will provide the base of their decision-making, which may impact the Earth system eventually. They will learn to acknowledge and respect environmental, social, cultural, economic, and historical elements throughout these lessons. They will develop understanding that they have the power of future generations to maintain these important environments, like historical houses. And as Nessa says, students must participate critically and act creatively in determining more sustainable ways of living. In relation to sustainability and the construction process, students will actively use only recycled items to create their castles. Here I've only used cardboard and paper, and I've also used a paddle pop stick and a straw on this side. The grass and the rocks were just used from my back garden. Here, whilst teaching, I would ensure that students are respectful and responsible citizens whilst they collect their resources, and I would remind them only to take things that have fallen from the ground and not to harm any living plants or trees. In order to prevent unnecessary waste as well, students must use trial and error to find a solution. For example, when I originally began constructing this castle, I made the first layer out of paper, and then as I went through building it, I realized that this was not going to hold because this is made out of a sturdier cardboard. So instead of going back from beginning and starting from scratch, I used more cardboard to hold it up. So I still maintained the overall look, and also with this side as well. Originally, because I had changed to the sturdier cardboard, I wasn't able to get a cylindrical shape. So what I did was that I made a net out of 8 pieces, and then I folded them up. So I still maintained the cylindrical look with the cone attached, but in a smarter and easier fashion.